Okay,
It's the
something
meaning of
difficult or
hardship.
unpleasant condition of life. Uh, or an example of this economy hardship. Okay, I got it.
Uh-huh.
Excuse me, I have a question. Can I say another sentence like this? High school in China for teenagers is a hardship
Yes. Yes,
because
maybe.
the students are under very high pressure from their studying in the school,
Uh-huh.
especially in high school.
Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Yes, I see that. Yes. Um,
Okay, and the next word, uh, metabolism. Uh, I know this word. It means to
Metabolism.
uh,
Metabolism.
have you seen this word before, metabolism?
What was that?
Have you seen the word metabolism
How do I
before?
see? I couldn't understand you. How do I
Uh,
see?
uh, do you know the word metabolism
Yes,
before?
metabolism. Yes, metabolism. That's
Metabolism is mm,
uh-huh.
uh, uh, just how to catabolism. Catabolism and metabolism, they are synonyms, maybe.
Yes, yes. Regular exercise can help you boost your metabolism. Yes, very good. And
I can
also,
say
it's really
having
helpful, John, to
having a faster metabolism is a very consequential, cons, how to say that word? Consequential, uh, how to, consequential for the obese person. Is this a
uh-huh.
correct sentence?
Yes, yes.
Consequential, consequential. You know the word
Consequential.
consequential?
Consequential, you mean?
What's the meaning of the word consequential?
Uh, I don't know, but I know. I think it's derived from consequence. Yes,
Consequential. Cons.
came from consequence. Consequence, it means the result. Uh,
Consequential means important, maybe.
hold on a second. Happening as a result of something, as I guessed.
Okay. And the next word, deviate. What's the meaning of it? Do you know this word? Deviate. How to pronounce this word? It's a new word for me.
Deviate. Yes. For example, it
Deviate.
deviates. For example, it's in one direction. It's a deviation.
Oh, okay. I am got it. And deviate. And his wife
The plane
deviated
had to
him several
deviate
years
from
ago.
its original. What was that?
His wife deviated him several years ago. Means his wife left her home. Means the couples split it up with each other several years ago.
I think no. It's here. It has another meaning. Here, I think
Oh,
I think you mean divorce or
yeah,
departure.
yes, that's what I
But
mean. Yes,
here, uh, I will send you again the meaning. Deviate.
deviate, uh, deviate. Uh, to do something that is different from the usual or common way of behaving, deviate from the recent pattern of weather, deviates from the norm of this time of year. Okay, I
Uh huh.
almost got it.
Also,
We
it
can go
has
ahead to the
this
next.
meaning. I think this meaning is all. They are similar somehow, but
Yes.
look at this again to go in a different direction.
Okay, I almost got it. And the next one, hormone. Hormone is a chemical substance, I think. And maybe the girl, after they grow up to teenagers and
Hormone.
have a lot of hormone.
Yes, yes.